First, let's start with the indicators and the settings. So first thing is the 50-period exponential moving average, which I think everyone knows how to plot that. Then we have the ADX, but the settings are changed. Both the settings are set to 20. Default would have been 14. And I added a horizontal line at the 25 level because that's the level we're going to be using. To add the horizontal line, you can just go up to your trading view tools here and click horizontal line, click it directly onto your ADX indicator and it will pop on there. You can change the coordinates of it to 25. And then the RSI, but not the standard RSI setting. So also going to have a 20 period RSI here. Now let's get into the strategy rules one by one. The first step with this strategy is you must see the ADX go over the 25 level like you see here, here,